Today I'm making a delicious home-style masala liver. Simple ingredients, lots of flavor. So let's start. Here in this plate I have all the spices we need to make a fresh paste. There's 1 whole garlic bulb, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon whole coriander seeds, and 2 green chilies. We'll grind all of this together to make a nice aromatic paste. Now, in this bowl I've taken 400 grams of liver. I've already cleaned and washed it. Let's add the fresh paste that we just made. And now, the dry spices go in. 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. We'll mix everything really well so that the liver is nicely coated in all these flavors. And now just cover it and leave it to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, next step. I've taken a pot here and added about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I've added 1 large onion, thinly sliced. We'll fry this until it turns light golden brown. Now it's time to add the marinated liver. We'll fry this for about 5 minutes, stirring gently. Once it's nicely fried, I'm adding 1 large tomato, blended into a paste. Now we'll cook this until the oil separates, and you can see that the masala is perfectly cooked. Finally, I'm adding a 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder. For finishing, a generous sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves. And that's it! Our spicy, flavorful masala liver is ready to serve. Enjoy it with roti, naan, or even rice. Trust me, it's full of taste. And don't forget, tell me in the comments which country you're watching from. And please subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes.